When you think about problems that you're having in your yard and you come here to Anderson Seed and Garden, we try and help you find solutions that will help improve those problems that you're dealing with, whether it's the spiders or ants or tobacco budworms nibbling on your petunias or a lawn problem, or if you just need to fertilize. But what you may not realize is that Anderson Seed and Garden and Logan Extermination have partnered together, and Logan Extermination is our services division, and so Logan Extermination can help diagnose problems with trees and treat them for you. We can also help with insects or diseases in your lawn, pests that are coming in around your house. We can help you figure out what the problem is and how to best control it, and we can take care of it while we're there as well too. So if you're looking for a do-it-yourself solution, we can help you here at Anderson's find the right one. But if you want someone to come and just take care of it for you, Logan Extermination is our services division that will come and take care of all those problems for you, so you just don't have to worry about it.